The HyperExecute auto-test splitting feature enables you to distribute tests across multiple virtual machines efficiently. This strategy ensures optimal concurrency usage by allowing you to split tests based on various levels such as methods, scenarios, or tags. Also, it has an automatic reordering mechanism that prioritizes flaky tests that failed in previous runs. This means the tests that failed last time are run first, providing quicker feedback and improving efficiency in identifying and resolving issues. To demonstrate how to use auto-test splitting, let's use a sample test script from a repository designed for AutoSplit test orchestration. You can find the link for the sample repo in the description box below. Open your preferred integrated development environment. For this demonstration, let's use VS Code. Launch VS Code, click on File and select Open Folder and choose the folder containing the autotest splitting files. To enable autotest splitting in HyperExecute, set the autosplit flag to true and specify the concurrency flag to indicate the number of parallel test sessions, which for this demonstration is set at 2. Also include the test discovery flag that defines how the system identifies which test to run, often using patterns or tags. Finally, add the test runner command flag, which specifies the command line instruction to execute the tests, ensuring that all test environments are correctly set up and managed. These configurations have already been implemented for this demonstration. To run the tests on HyperExecute, head to the support documentation to download the HyperExecute CLI for your operating system. For this demonstration, let's download the one for Windows. Access the link for various OS platforms from the support documentation given in the description box below. Copy the downloaded file and paste it into the root folder, in this case the AutoSplit sample folder. Next, go to the HyperExecute dashboard, click on Help, select HyperExecute CLI, copy the test execution command given and paste it in the terminal. Head back to the HyperExecute dashboard, select Jobs, then open the latest running job and click on the test to monitor the execution. If you hover over the Type button, you can see that AutoSplit has been enabled for test execution. By following these steps, HyperExecute efficiently distributes tests across multiple virtual machines for parallel execution, as directed by the concurrency flag in the YAML file. In this case, the tests are split such that the first task executes test 1 and 3, while the second task handles test 2 and 4. The distribution of tests significantly reduces the total test execution time. You can reduce job duration up to 29% and save 41 seconds by increasing the concurrency from 2 to 4 when running your test. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the LambdaTest YouTube channel for more such videos.